Hi, this is Priyanshu. In today's video, we are going to talk about our class 6th mathematics, and this is our chapter 8 data handling, and this is exercise 8.2. So in this video, we are going to see the solution of this exercise. So generally, if you have any kinds of doubt related to this exercise, so don't worry about it. In the end of this video, whatever your doubt is there, it is going to be clear. Okay na? So let's just start with the first question. This is an easy question, but we have to be understand something. Okay na? The number of the watches manufactured by a factory in a week are the following. Okay, so there is a one company, you can say, or a factory who is making the watch. Okay now, so in a week they are making, so in the Monday that company making 300 watches, in Tuesday he is making 350 watches, in Wednesday he is making 250 watches, Thursday 400, Friday 300, and Saturday 275. I'm sorry for that. Okay now, so what is happening here, he's making this watches manufacturing in the week. Okay now, so this question is telling that here represent using the pictograph of the using this suitable scale. Okay, so what is the mean by the pictograph? You just understand, picto means, it is a picture, it is just a picture. Picto means picture, and if you add the graph here, okay now, graph means a symbol. Graph means, normally we are telling na, graph means graph only, picture graph. Pictograph means simple picture graph. We have to represent the pictures, like this is a boy picture, okay na, otherwise any smiley picture. So we have to, pictograph means picture only. Okay na, remember these things. Okay, so generally let's talk about the next one. Just wait a minute, I will talk about it. Okay na, so now, so here the question is telling we have to represent this pictograph on the suitable scale. Okay now, we have to write it. So how we can do this? Let's suppose first let's write the we just make the graph and we will solve this in the graph only. So let's do this one. So first we will write this like day. So we have to write the day here. Okay now, so first start with the day. So just write the day here. Okay na, so we will write day. So how we will write the day? The day is like Monday. Okay na, so like it is given like Monday, then it is given Tuesday. Okay na, here it is Tuesday, then Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday, then Thursday, then Friday, then Saturday. So in the Monday, okay, so in the day, and then after we will write the day. It's okay, after the day we will write watches, how many watches it is. Okay now, so we will write here watches. Okay, so let's write this with the black pen only. This we will write the watches. So how many watches in Monday, how many watches they are made? They are making 300 watches. Okay, write this with the red pen. They are making 300 watches. Okay, in Tuesday how many they are making? They are making 350. In Wednesday they are making 250. In Thursday they are making 400, and Friday they are making 300, and Saturday they are making 275. Okay, so now here we have to write the pictograph. Here we have to write the pictograph. We have to, what we have to write here? Pictograph. We have to write the pictograph of watches. So we have to write the pictograph of the watches. So will you write the 300 pictographs of the watch? Will you write the 300 watches image like that? Will you write the 300 watches image? Are you able to write 300 watches image? No, we cannot write watches image 300. We will write 3 or 4, more than 7. Last 7 we can write. But how we can write 365 pictures? So we cannot write like that. 365 watches we cannot write. So what we can do? We have to choose a suitable scale where we can make a image particularly. So if you see these all numbers are divisible by 5 or not? Yes, if you divide this one, so 60 images you have to make. If you divide this 300 by 5, 60 images you have to make. So why not we are doing this? We are dividing this into 50 and 50. If you count 50 table, so in the 50 table the 300 is going to be in 6 times only. It is going to be cancelled. It means that we have to create only 6 images in the Monday. So if you take the pictograph of the watches by the 50, okay, now 50 if you take, 50 watches, one symbol. Okay, now one symbol, let's make one symbol equals to 50. Let's make one symbol. What I'm telling you, what I'm telling you here, generally what I wants to be okay, just wait a minute, I will take it. So what I'm telling you here, I am telling this, just make one picture. This is one watch picture. Now this one watch picture is equals to the 50 watches. Okay, now this another watch, this two watch pictures is equals to the 100 watch pictures. So we are taking has a one watch picture has a 50. You can choose this one watch picture is has a 25. So what I'm telling you here, one symbol is equals to 50 watches. What I'm telling you here, one symbol, okay, now one symbol is equals to 15 watches. Okay, now so how many symbols we can make this one? Okay, you can choose 25 also, you can choose 10 also. Okay, now one symbol is equals to 10 watches. Okay, now so if you make the, it's going to be 30 watches it is going to. So that's why we choose one symbol equals to only 50 watches. Let's take one symbol is equals to 15 watches. So here that's why I'm written here one watches, 15 watches. Okay, now so generally I don't have to write this one, I will write it. So pictograph of watches, so I will write here one symbol, I will write here one symbol, SYM. Okay, now symbol, the spelling SYMBOL, symbol equals to 15 watches. Okay, now I will write here. Okay, I'm writing here one symbol is equals to 15 watches. So if you divide this one, if you divide this 300, so 300 if you divide by the 6, it is going to be 6 times. Okay, now so it means that 6 watches, 6 image you can make, 6 image. So let's make 6 image of watches. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. This is a 6 image of the watches. So here this one symbol here, this one symbol is equals to 50, 100, 150, 200, 300, 200, 250, 300. So here one picture is equals to 50. How many pictures? 6 into 50 if you make, this is going to be 300. Okay, it's over, right? So here how many pictures will become? Here 7 pictures we can create if you divide 50. Okay, now so here if you divide, here we are taking one symbol, this one picture is equals to 50 watches. Okay, now so here we are creating one symbol is equals to 50 watches, then this is 350. So how many watches? So divide by 50, so it is going to be 7. So this is going to be cancelled, 7 pictures. So here we are going to create 7 pictures. This is a one picture, this is another picture, this is another picture, this is another picture, another 1 2 3 4 5, and this is 6, and this is 7 pictures we created here. Okay, now in 250 how many pictures will create? So in 250 only 5 pictures will be created. If you divide 50 into 250, it is going to be 5 only. So 5 pictures we have to create, 1 2 3 and 4 and 5. In 408 pictures will create, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 pictures. In 300 we will create only 6 pictures, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 pictures. Okay, now this is looking like cube, but it's not, it's a watch. In 270 how many we can create? Generally we can create 5 pictures, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and one half picture we can create, one half picture, because this is 25 now, this is 50 means one full watch. What I'm telling you, okay, that's good, this is not okay. So it means that it is, what I'm telling you, in 50 this is only one watch means it is totally 50. Okay, now so if you take half, it is 25, it means half watches. Okay, now so this one watch is equals to 50 watches. Okay, now one symbol is equals to 50 watches. So you can do like that also. Okay, now is it clear? So let's talk about this question. So this question is totally same also, it is not very much difficult. Apple sold in week in Ahmad and fruit vendor are the given under the prepare a pictograph of the sale and the 5 fruits. Okay, so actually generally what will happen here, we have to solve this question also. So this question telling that how many symbols represent the fruit sold on Tuesday. Okay, so how many fruits are sold in Tuesday we have to represent. We will see the question in the later, just understand this one. Okay, now so first we make the day, how many days are there, first make the day. So how many days are there? So it is given Sunday. So I will write shortly. I will not going to write all these names. So I will write Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, and Wednesday, and I will write Thursday, and Friday and Saturday. I will write like that. Okay. So in Monday, how many? This is a day. Its day is over now. So now I will write the fruit sold. Okay. Now here we will write fruit sold. Okay. Now here we have to write fruit sold. How many fruits sold in that day? We have to write the same. Okay. Now. So how many fruits sold? 100. In Sunday, how many sold? It is how many sold? It's 100 sold. Okay. Monday 85. Okay. Tuesday 90. Wednesday it is totally 80. Thursday it's 16. Friday it's 95. And Saturday it is 70. Now we have to make the image. Now what we have to make? We have to make the pictograph. Now we have to make the pictograph. Okay now. So we have to make the pictograph. So we have to make the pictograph of fruit. Okay now we have to make the pictograph of fruit. So we have to take one symbol. So here will you make the 100 pictures of the apple? Will you create the 100 apples picture? Are you able to create 100 apple pictures? No, we cannot create apple pictures 100. So we have to choose one proper number, one particular number which we can create. So here what we can choose? So here we can choose 100. Not 100, we can choose 10. So it means that one picture is equals to 100 apples. Okay now if I create one symbol is equals to 100 generally 100 apples. Okay now this is 100 apples are there now. So if I create one apple picture, this is one apple picture. Let's suppose this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, this is 10. It means that what I'm telling you, this one apple picture is equals to 10 apples. Okay now so here I created 10 apple pictures. So it means that 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20, 19 and 100. So this is equals to 100 pictures. So generally we cannot create 100 pictures of apple. So what we can do, we use something symbol. So what I symbol use? So I said one symbol. Okay now one symbol is equals to 10 apples. Okay now 10 apples. 10 apples. So this is a one symbol. This symbol is equals to 10 apple. This another is 10. This 10. This 10. So how many apples are created? 10 symbols are created. 10 symbol means one symbol is equals to 10 apples. So 10 symbol is equals to 10 apples means 100 over. Now this is 85. So how many pictures we can create? Only 8 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But half, this is 10 na. 10 means one picture. One symbol is equals to 10 apples now. So this 10 means one picture is equals to 10 apples. So why I am not taking this one picture as a half picture? I will take half picture. This is a full picture now. I will take this is a half picture. So this half picture is equals to 5 apples or not? Yes, it is equals to. So I will take it. I will take this one half picture. Half picture is equals to the 5. Okay now this is a 90. So 90, in 90 how many apples picture we can draw? 9. This is 10, this is 20, this is 30, this is 40, this is 50, this is 60, this is 70, this is 80, this is 90 over. So in 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here 95. 90 we can 9 we can create. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. But 9 we created. So we cannot create 10. So half we can create for the 5. Half is for the 5. Okay na? Half picture is for the 5. Okay, half we can create. Okay, this is 77 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So generally this is over. So now this question is telling that here how many symbols represent the fruit sold on Thursday. So how many fruits represent Thursday? Thursday how many fruits are sold? There is total 90 fruits are sold. So how many pictures we made? 9 pictures we made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pictures we made. So the answer is 9. So this is the last question here. How many symbols represent in the fruit sold in Friday? So in Friday how many fruits are sold? 95 fruits are sold. So how many pictures we did? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 pictures we sold, and 1 by half pictures we did. So 9 and 1 by half pictures we made it. So over. So generally this is answer is not given. So here what I'm telling you, are you understanding or not, I don't know, but I will explain it again. So here what I'm telling you, just listen. Why this one picture is equals to 10? So this is telling that you have to make 100 pictures. So will you make the apple picture 100 like that? No, we cannot make. So we will take one proper number. Let's suppose this one apple is equals to 100 apples. Okay, this one symbol, this symbol of one apple symbol is equals to 10 apples. So if I make like that 10 apples picture like that, if I make like 50 to, this is 5 apple pictures I make, it means that this is equals to 50 apples. Simple. So for the making 50 apples, we cannot go to make this type of 15 apples. But if we make one apples is equals to 10 apples. Okay, now this apple symbol is equals to 10 apples. So we can make like that. Okay, now let's suppose if you make 60 apple pictures, so we are not going to make such type of 60 apple pictures. What we do, we just make symbols like 1 2 3 4 5 6. Why I am making it? Because this one apple picture is equals to 10 apples. This one symbol is equals to 10 apples. So another is 10, another is 10, so this is 60 over. That's why. Okay, is it clear? Right, so if it is clear, then let's talk about the third one. So third one is also waiting for the 60 minutes. Again, a third question, what is telling? Let's talk about it. Board pooled for the various candidate in the Sarpanch election. So against their symbols are the, okay, so symbols. So what are the symbols? Symbols are like sun symbol, this is a balti symbol, bucket, okay, this is tree, this is a clock. Number of boats. Okay, so what we can do, we have to write a pictograph. Okay, so first write the symbol. So we are going to write the symbol. So first write the SYMBOL symbol. What is it symbol? This is a rising of sun symbol. Okay, this is sun. This is a sun symbol, then one magga balti, whatever it is. This is another symbol. The third symbol is a tree symbol. Okay, this is a tree symbol. Another symbol is clock symbol. Okay, this is clock symbol. Okay, so how many then symbol is there? Number of boats. Now write the number of boats. So NO means number of boats. Okay, now NO means same only, nothing is happening here. So this is boats. Okay, is it over? So how many members given vote to this sun? 400 votes are given. So write the 400 votes for the suns. Okay, for the bucket 550 votes are given. Okay, for the tree there is a 350 votes are given. For the clock only 200 votes are given. Okay, now we have to create the pictograph. We have to create the pictograph of that. So we have to create the pictograph. Okay, so will you create the image of the boat? Okay, so we have to create a pictograph of the suitable scale. Okay, so let's create one symbol. Okay, now we will create like that. One symbol you have to take. So if you choose 4 like that, you will create 400. No, we are not going to create like that 400. So why we are not taking this as a one symbol is equals to 100 votes. Let's create one symbol is for the 100 votes. Okay, now like that, this is a 400. If I create one symbol, this means that this one symbol is equals to 100. Another symbol I am creating, this 4 I created, it means that this one, this and this is for the 100, this is for 100. So it's all make 400. Okay, now it's make 400. So like that we can do. Okay, so generally what I am telling you here, one symbol is for 100 votes. I make one symbol is for 100 votes. So this is a one symbol. This one symbol is equals to 100 votes. This another symbol is 100 equals to 200 votes. Why? Because this is 100. This is also 100. 100, 200. This is also 100. This is also 100. So how many votes it is? 400 votes. So that's why here we will get 4. Okay, now this is a 550. So create 5 votes. Create 5 books like this, 1 2 3 4 and 5. But if you know, we know that this one symbol is equals to 100 votes, then half symbol will this half. Okay, now this half symbol will be equals to how many votes? 50 votes. So let's create the half over. This is for 50, like 300 votes. So here what we have to write, we have to we have to write the 300, so 300 votes, 1 2 and 3. Okay, now 50, for 50 we have to create half. Okay na, right? So is it clear? Right, so now for 200 there is only 2. This is one is equals to 100 votes, another is equals to 100 votes, so it is always 200. Is it clear or not? So is it totally clear? So now let's talk about the answer. So the question is telling that which symbol got least vote. Least vote means what? Which person are getting very low vote, who is getting very low vote. So if you see this watch, this option D, so watch, you can write which symbol got least vote. So you can write the watch symbol. Watch symbol get least vote. Least means very very, you know, very less vote. Who get the very less vote? So this watch symbol, okay, now you will write watch symbol get 200 votes only, very less votes. Who, which symbol candidate won the election? So who won the election? Who have more number of vote, they will win. So this one is only win, so this you can write bucket symbol. Okay, now bucket symbol won the vote. You can create the bucket symbol also like this. Okay, bucket person is getting 500 votes. Okay, now this is win. So who bought? This bucket symbol bought. Okay, is it clear? Right, so this is over. Now let's talk about the fourth one. Answer the following question based on the pictograph. Okay, now we don't have to make pictograph, etc. So answer the following in the okay, so we have to just look at this, like 6th class student have a 1 2 3 4 5 cycles, etc. Okay na. So answer the following question based on the pictograph. Okay, so we have to looking at the question and we have to answer. Which class student have maximum number of cycle? Maximum number of cycle. Maximum means more number of cycle. Maximum is more number of cycle. Which class student have maximum number of cycle? So let's count. This class have only 5, and this class 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It's have 10 cycle. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 cycles. Okay now. 9th class have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 cycles. It have 12 cycles. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It have 7 cycles. So which class have more cycle? That's 9th class. Okay, now you will write 9th class. 9th class have more cycles. More cycle, that is how much more? More cycle, that is 12. Okay na, right? Is it okay? Right, now let's see which class student have minimum number of cycle. Minimum means very less. Which class have very less number of cycle? Do you know which class have very less number of cycle? Let's see. This is 10th class have 7 cycle. This is a greater one. Okay, 8th class have 9 cycle. 7th class have 10 cycle, but 6th class have 5 cycles only. So which class have very less cycle? So you will say okay, so we are going to say 6th class. Okay na. Okay na, 6th class have less. Okay na, minimum you can write minimum or less. Minimum cycle, how much? Those are the 5 cycles. Okay, it's okay. Now let's talk about this question. So which question? This question is telling that which class student have 9 cycle. Which class student have 9 cycles? 8th class student. 8th class students have 9 cycles. Right here 8th class. Okay na, so you will write like that, 8th class. Okay na, this is a 8th class student have more cycle. Okay na. Which is the total number of cycle of the 5 classes? Okay, so how many like this is a 1 class, 2 3 4 5. How many cycles they have? So 6th class have 5, and 7th class have 10 cycle, and 7th class, okay, 8th class have 9 cycle, okay, and 9th class have 12 cycles, and 10th class have 7 cycles. So if you add this one, that's 15. 15 plus 5 24. 24 plus 2, that's 26. 26 plus 10, that's going to be 36. 36 plus 4 40. 43. Okay, so how many cycles? 43. If you add this one, if you add this number, it is going to be 43 only. If you add 15 5 20 24 26 36 36 plus 4 43. Okay, so 43 is right. So how many cycles? How many total number of cycles all 5 classes have? So total 43 cycles. total 43 cycles they have. Okay, is it clear? Right, so well, this is over. Their fourth question is over. So let's talk about the fifth question. Okay, so let's talk about the our fifth question. So fifth question is telling that the scale of television set difference compare on the day it show the pictograph given. Okay, so company A have how many television sets? So one thing remember, one TV is equals to how many, this one picture of television represent 5 televisions. It means that this one picture have five television, this have 5 televisions, this have 5 televisions, this have 5 televisions, this have 5 televisions. Then how many television they have? 5 5 10 15 20 25. So it have 25 televisions. So option A have how many televisions? 25 televisions. How it have 25 televisions? So because this is telling that this one picture is represent 5 televisions, it means that this picture represent 5, this 5 10, this 5 15, this 5 20, this 5 25. So option A have 25 televisions. Okay, now so option B have how many televisions? Let's count. 5 televisions it have, 5 hits have. It means that 10 televisions it have. This 5 10 15 20 25 30 35 40. So it have 40 televisions. How many hits have? It have 5 televisions. It have 5 10 15. So it have only 15 televisions. Why? Because it's already telling here this one pictures represent 15 televisions, which already we did in previously also. Okay, now is it clear to you or not? Is it clear? So let's do it. Okay, so now wait a minute. Okay, so now let's do the question. So this question is telling that let's read this. How many TVs of company A were sold? How many TV the A company sold? So A company sold 25 TVs. So just write 25 TVs. Okay, simple. So now let's read another question. Which company TV peoples are more crazy to about? Okay, like which company TVs are more sold? So company C. So you have to write company C. Company C. Why company C? Company C. Why company C? Because which company TV are people are more crazy about, like which company peoples are watching more and more TV. So option C company, because this is 14 sets they are people's brought this. Okay, now that's why. Now the C question is third question. Which company sold 15 TV sets? Which company sold 15 TVs? So if you see this one, option E. So company C. So we have to write company company E, not company C, company E. Company E sold 15 TVs. Okay, which company had the least sale? Which company sell less? Least means what is I mean by least? Least means less. Which company sold very less number of TV? Which company sold very less number of TV? Option D, D company. Why? Because D company only sold the 5 TVs only. So here we have to write the option D. So we have to write the company D we have to write. Okay, is it clear or not? Is it clear? Okay, right. So let's do it. Sixth question, which is the last question here. So this sixth question is very interesting. It's telling that monthly salary of 5 workers. There are the 5 workers that's named Ramesh, Vilas, Venkat, okay, now Dinesh, Sachin. These are the 5 workers whose salaries are given. Okay, now so his one note, this one note is equals to 1000 rupees. This one note equals to 1000 rupees. This note is equals to 1000 rupees. This note equals to 1000 rupees. This note equals to 1000 rupees. This 1000 means this one note is equals to 1000 rupees. Then how many notes here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 notes are there. 8 notes means 1000 rupees. It means that 8000 rupees. Okay, now so let's write the first of all. So Ramesh, how much Ramesh earned? Let's know. This one symbol of money, this one symbol of note is equals to 1000 rupees. So how many symbol it have? One, it means that 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000. Ramesh are earning 8000. So write 8000. Okay, over. Now Belas, 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000. He is earning 7000. Right, 7000. Why? Because this one note is equals to 1000 rupees. So here we are counting one note has 1000. Okay, na? That's why. Now here this is 1000, 2000, this is 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000. So this is 6000. Okay, This one note is equals to 1000, then 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000, 10,000. It means that they are earning 10,000 rupees. Okay, this one 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that Sachin is also earning 10,000. Okay, right. So Dinesh and Sachin both are earning same amount of numbers, same amount salary they are earning. Okay na. So now the question is telling write the scale used in this pictograph. What the scale which is used in this pictograph? In this scale it is used this one symbol of the notes equals to the thousands rupees, 1,000 rupees. It is telling that it means that one symbol, okay na, it is telling that one symbol equals to the 1,000 rupees, 1,000 rupees. It is telling that 1,000 rupees. So this is written in this one. Okay na. What the scale is used in pictograph? 1000, because this is the whatever Gandhiji it is here in this note. This note is 1,000 rupees. One symbol equals to 1,000 rupees. This one symbol of the note is equals to 1,000 rupees. Okay, how much Sachin salary is there? Sachin, where is Sachin salary is 10,000, right? The 10,000. So Sachin salary is 10,000. Okay, right. So question number 3, who wants more salary? So who is earning more and more salary? So Sachin and Dinesh. If you know, Dinesh and Sachin both are earning more salary. So you can write here Sachin. Okay na, you can write Sachin and Dinesh. Okay na, Sachin and Dinesh are earning more, earning more. Okay, we can write this one. Okay, now what is the next question? Next is how much Ramesh salary more than the Bilas? Okay, wait a minute. Okay, I'm sorry for that. So in this question what is telling that how much the Ramesh salary is more than the Bilas salary. So we have to compare the Ramesh and Bilas salary. So how much? The Bilas salary is only 7,000, but Ramesh salary is 8,000. So whose salary is greater? Ramesh salary is greater. Why? Because he is earning 8,000. Bilas is earning 7,000. So how much the Ramesh salary is greater than the Bilas? Let's suppose you have 5 chocolates, okay, and your friend have 4 chocolates. So how many more chocolates you have than your friend? Only one chocolate. Now if you subtract, only one chocolate is more than your friend's. Why? Because your friend have 4 chocolates, you have 5 chocolate. It means that you have one more extra chocolate than your friend. Okay, if you eat one more chocolate, you have also 4 chocolate left, your friend have also 4. So both are same or not? Okay, that's why. So you have 5 chocolates, your friend have 4 chocolates. So it means that your friend have it means that you have more than one salary, like that. Here only if you subtract here, it is going to be 1,000. Okay, now if you subtract 800 minus 7,000, 8,000 minus 7,000, 8,000, if you subtract from 7,000, you will get what you will get 1,000. Okay now, so you can write here how much Ramesh salary more than the Bilas salary. So you can write the Ramesh salary is 8,000 minus the Bilas salary is 7,000. So if you subtract this one, so you will get the 1,000. So the salary, so Ramesh, you can write here. Okay na, Ramesh salary 1,000, you can write here 1,000 more than the Bilas. Okay na, it is very simple question. Okay na, this is the very simple question. So our question number 6 is also completed. So overall this exercise is totally completed here only. Okay, this exercise is totally completed. If you have any kinds of doubt related to this one, you can tell me, because this is very easy exercise. I don't know your teacher will tell you to do or not, but this exercise solution is not given in your textbook, but generally everything is clear, nothing in this one confusing. Okay, but after that also if you have any doubt, then you can tell to me. And if you are looking for class 6 mathematics exercise solution, so in description there is a link, you can check out from there. Otherwise you can directly go to our channel, click on the playlist, and you will find out from there. Okay, so let's see you in the next class. Jai Hind.